Hello all, welcome back to my channel Pingy Creations. Firstly, I would like to thank all the subscribers for your support. But I request you to click on the bell icon so that you'll not miss the notification when I release the video. So in this video, I am going to show you how to make your own resin balls. These are the balls which I made using some plastic molds. These balls really came out pretty well and I'm really in love with these products. I think these are the best, one of my best projects I've ever done. So these balls comes along with lids, and I've also done a glass resin which is pretty cool. But if you want your own personalized or customized bowl sets with different shades, you can just check the description below. The bowl sets comes along with a glass which is a complimentary. So let's get into the project. First, I've taken some resin in a glass. To know the procedure of mixing the resin, please check my previous videos. And now I've taken a plastic bowl and using silicone spray, I'm just creating the base. So main focus is to create the base in the first step. So I'm just adding some resin in the bowl. The resin which I add is like ½ inch of thickness, and I'm just leaving this bowl for 1 day. So I decided to make the two bowls at the same time. So I'm taking the second bowl and pouring the resin to create the base for the second bowl too. The coloring part, I'm using the alcohol inks from Beyond Inks, and here I'm adding the drop by drop inks of pink and white so as to create the pink in a taffy shade. Now I want a hot pink shade to be mixed with this taffy pink. So I'm adding only the shades of pink without adding any whites in it. I want the second bowl to be basil green. I'm just adding some yellows and greens all over randomly. Since using alcohol inks, you cannot predict the final structure of the color which it takes place, but I'm sure I don't want much green to be spread, and I just want some transparent part to be left over, so I'm not using much color here. You can see that the base is completely cured now, and each base is of ½ inch thickness. Coming to the next step, I would be placing all the bowls on top of each other so that there will be some space left between each bowl. Here I would be using plenty of silicone spray so that it will be easy for me while demolding. If you are not so sure of making two balls at the same time, please go one by one. Now I have poured some clear resin in the gap between the first and second bowls. On top of the clear resin, I have added some drops of green and yellow. And on top of that, again I have added the other remaining part of the clear resin. So this is one way of creating the coloring part for the bowls. The second method of coloring the bowl is fill the bowl with clear resin for half of the part, and then I am taking the resin which is mixed with alcohol inks in the shades of pink and white, and then I kept adding the pink resin and white resin alternatively till the resin reaches the top. I'm really sorry that I couldn't show you the demolding part for the bowls, but it really came out easily as I think I've added more silicone. Now you can see that the bowls really came out very glossy and very smooth finish is there, and it pretty much similar to a glass bowl, though it's unbreakable. Creating lid is pretty much similar to creation of the base. You can see that I'm just adding the resin, and the colors which I'm using is same as the colors which I used for the base. I just wanted the lid to be matched with the base, so randomly I'm adding the green, yellow and whites. Now you can see the demolding part of the lid. It's very easy and exciting. So the lid actually fits the bowl exactly in both the ways. So this is the final product. So before concluding, I would like to make a serious note. The bowls which I prepared are out of resin. Though the resin is which I used is food contact safety, I recommend not to use any hot food served in these bowls, because there are some reactions which takes place when resin comes in contact with the heat. So it's just a precautionary not to use any direct food in these bowls. You can use foods like dry fruits or the fruits which are washed before you consume it. So hope you like this video, and please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pinky Creations.